Welcome back to this video of the speaker update. This is the bass test. Let me shut the door. "15" sub, 15" PV, and a 10" Onya. 10". I'll turn it up loud.
There's no room beside me. I'm not looking for romance. Say I'll
So I put the camera over by the unit so that you can see this video.
all I want.
Yogi.
'Cause I don't even know myself.
I'll rewind it back to the bass.
When I don't even know myself.
I might get an Aspel with this. I wouldn't be surprised. So that was maximum volume and my ears are fucking ringing. Excuse my French, but yeah. That's my speaker update.